Situated in the Borguna Zilla, Majharchor is a small island, 1 kilometer away from Kakchura Union, surrounded by the Bishkhali River, accommodating almost 2,000 residents, deprived of all the modern facilities like electricity, pure water, and proper medication. Fighting with natural disasters and poverty, these people are constantly struggling with their variable lifestyle. The hospital and school are really far away, and the residents have to travel by boat to get two of their basic human rights, education and medication. These complications were mostly impacting the 300 children on a severe note who lived in the Char. Due to all these complexities, the children are missing their education and their deserved childhood. In 2019, Children 7 started its operation and brought a light of inspiration to the lives of thousands of residents at Majharchor. Children 7 reconstructed the school alongside free books, assigning new teachers and motivating the children to join school by providing them with nutritious lunch.
আগে তো এখানে কোনো স্কুল ছিল না, এখন স্কুল আছে, এখন বাচ্চাদের যাওয়ার কোনো সমস্যা না। এর আগে তো ছিল উপর যাওয়া লাগতো, সময় তো ছোট বাচ্চাদের যাইতে সমস্যা হইতো, আর এখন তো কোনো সমস্যা নাই।
নাতি তো ছোট বাচ্চা, ওই ফেরে স্কুলে যাইতে দাবারে বহুত ভয় পাহন। এই জন্য তো এখন এখানে স্কুল হয়েছে, এখন কোনো চিন্তা ভাবনা নাই। এখানে খাবারও দেয়, তাছাড়া লেজারের সময় খাইয়ে যাইতে পারে, এখন কোনো ওই চিন্তা আমাদের নাই।
The increased number of students and their eagerness to learn makes us dream that the next generation of Majharchor will be more promising. The people will be more aware and their smiles will spread brighter on the small island.